Hello my friends, let me show you a quick tip on opening a wine bottle with a Swiss Army knife. And you can see here the corkscrew is in the middle of the knife and it does flex both directions. Okay, now when I open a cork, run the corkscrew all the way in. A lot of people don't do that. Okay, now the hard part of pulling these corks is the initial breaking this loose, breaking the cork loose. It can be somewhat glued from the wine that's in there, especially this homemade. And you can see I'm flexing this and it slid the cork up. Now if you've got the strength of a gorilla, you don't need to do that. Okay, and then the rest is just a matter of pulling the cork out. There. Okay, early in the morning, I'm not drinking the wine this early. So we'll put this away for now. That's it. Use the mechanical advantage of the knife on the rim, and that will allow you to open the wine very easily. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.